Before me is the MANTARAY Water-Powered Polishing Tool. It's handheld, great for stone surfaces, aggregates, and concrete. 4,000 psi is the setting of your pressure washer. Let's open it, put it together. All you need is a 1/2-inch wrench and a little Teflon tape. So let's get started. We'll have the housing here and our pieces here. We have a side handle and a rubber mount. You're going to need a 1/2-inch wrench for this assembly and some Teflon tape. Once you have the rubber mount securely fastened to your side handle, and it doesn't matter which side you screw it into, you want to take your housing and look on the side. There's a front hole and a back hole on each side. I like the right side for the side handle because I'm right-handed. No Teflon tape required yet. So you have it snug there on the side. Then we have our trigger handle and our male adapter. The male adapter actually needs the Teflon tape, and screw in right into the front with the Teflon tape. I have my demonstration unit here to show you the Teflon tape with the male attachment. Now in the back, there's another male attachment with Teflon tape. Now this attachment connects to the pressure washer hose that you have. All pressure washer hoses are different, the brand, sizes, so the customer needs to go find which attachment fits their hose and attaches to this back handle with some Teflon tape. This is what you have after you find the back connection for your hose. It fits right into this fast connector, nice and easy. So here you have the unit. The water comes out here onto the disc as you use it, so it reduces dust while you use it. Also, there's a key into the shaft. It's a 5/8 shaft, but the key is required with your 1/2-inch wrench. Fits right in there, so you can hold your shaft as you turn the disc on. One thing though, before you attach the disc to the shaft, what you'd like to do is use marine grease for the threads. You don't want your disc to be cemented on your shaft. So what you want to do is just take it off, put the grease on the threads, and then add your discs to the unit with the grease on the threads. And I would switch the grease out probably every 5 times. I would add some more grease so it comes off and on this smooth. You really want to have that. So use the grease. We do have a hook and loop system for the diamond pads. I want to thank World Diamond Source for all their accessories for the MANTARAY tool line. That's on mantaraytools.com. This is a 4,000 psi setting. So let's get started to use this. We can use 3-inch pads all the way up to 7-inch hook and loop pads for this system. So the MANTARAY Water-Powered Polishing system is built. And let's get started. Let's use this thing.